Often a formula will deliver a result that has a decimal place. This tutorial will show you how to make Excel formulas round up to prevent this issue. First off, load a spreadsheet that has some data in it. In this example, we are going to be adding the price figures in column B of this sheet together. If we use the sum formula here, we are left with 61.66. We want this number to automatically round up to 62. Fortunately, Excel comes with a formula that you can use in conjunction with others to make the result round up. This formula is known as the ROUNDUP formula. To use this, first delete the sum formula already entered. Here it's in cell B5. Now click on this cell and type equals roundup parenthesis open sum parenthesis open. Now click and drag all of the numerical values that you want to add together. Next type parenthesis closed, comma, 0 parenthesis closed. Press return and the formula will be applied. You will see here that the formula now rounds up the sum result to 62. This is how to make Excel formulas round up, and the roundup formula can be used for many other formulas besides sum.